And I accept her for who she is because she's a good friend to me, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today I am doing a review on this beauty right here. And I am also, y'all ready? I am collabing with Stilllookingood58. Why do I talk with my hands? I do not know. So if you are here from her channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am so excited about this because this is the old school, new school review. Yes, you've heard right. Stilllookingood58. If you don't know who she is, you need to check her out. She reviews wigs for the older, mature woman, you know. She slays, y'all. And she's current. I found her channel. I'm not even sure how, but I do know that I did purchase a unit based on her review. Y'all remember that Brit unit that I did? Yes, I found it on her channel and she's up to date. She probably has a wig store in her house. She brings you current reviews. Like I said, for all my subbies that maybe watch me and maybe some of my stuff is a little bit too extreme for you, I'm not telling you to leave me. Don't leave me, but go definitely check her out. She does do reviews for mature women, and I can appreciate that. And you know what? She still looks good for her age. I'm telling y'all, I did not even know her age. I thought she was 58, but apparently that's the year she was born. Just like how I'm, yeah, you know, I'm 25, so old versus new. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this review on this beauty right here because I'm hype, y'all. I am hype. Let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm gonna talk this through. Today I have Geneva Perfect Hairline. This is Chocolate Swirl, girl. Look at this color. Y'all see this color? Oh my god! Sorry, I got a little bit too hyped. But anyway, it has a lace frontal, 2 combs in the front, and it has this elastic band in the middle. You have your adjustable straps, and yeah. So this hairline looks pretty good. The lace looks okay, but I'll talk about that at the end. So I'm just looking at it and I think I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Okay, so let's go ahead and tint this because I do feel like it's a little bit too light. So I'm just using my tint spray. I'm not spraying all of it. I'm just kind of spraying the front. And look at that. Look at that. Y'all see how it matches? It matches really, really good. So I'm okay with that. All right, so I'm just cutting the lace right now. And then I've just wiped my forehead with some alcohol because the makeup was on my forehead and I don't want it to get all cakey. I started off with my yellow Got2b, but I actually went in with the black one. I prefer that one better. You want to make sure that this glue is tacky, okay, before you put the lace on. And then I just used the blow dryer to kind of speed it up. So I basically did that process all the way over. I just kind of sped it up and cut out some parts for the sake of timing. Now I'm just cutting the lace with the razor and then I'm melting it in my hairline with my bedhead spray. And then I'm just using the end of my comb to kind of press it in and melt it. So this part right here, I was gonna do some baby hairs, but we'll see how that turns out. Swoop those baby hairs, girl. Swoop them. Ooh, child, I did this 100 times. I give up.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so whatever attempt that was, I'm just adding some Juvia's Place here, and then I tied her down. Then I put some Bio Silk and a little bit of water and brushed her out, and there we have it. Okay, beauties, so I am finished installing this unit and I am in love. I am absolutely in love. I already told y'all, Outre has a special place in my heart, but this right here, is a beauty. I am reviewing Miss Geneva from Outre's Perfect Hairline series, and I have the color DR2 Chocolate Swirl. She does come in a lot of different nice, beautiful colors, guys. Honey blonde, some cherries. It's a lot of nice colors. So, you know, it's a lot different colors in this collection other than this one. This right here is a lace front. I reviewed a Perfect Hairline in Shanice, and I absolutely loved her. She was gorgeous. She was like a kinkier straight. I'll leave it right here. But this is Miss Geneva. So they've been bringing a lot of perfect hairlines to this collection, and I am here for it because I love it. I am absolutely in love with this unit. Let's go ahead and get the specs out the way. This is a 13x6 lace frontal. It says transparent HD lace, no plucking required. I'm not too sure about the transparency on this one, but you know, they throw that in there. They throw it in there. They all throwing it in there. It's cool. It works. Your hairline, I went ahead and gave me a right side part. You can do the middle, the side, left, right, any way you like it. You can switch it up. You can put some braids in her. Do whatever you want. This unit is like these nice curls right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what she's looking like. So I'm loving this. So I'm loving these curls right here, guys, okay? So you get these nice little ba-doop curls. And in the back, she's longer. And that's that with how she looks. This unit does come with some baby hairs. I was a little confused because when I went in, I secured her down and I kind of melted it down. The baby hairs, I guess they're like kind of in the front. I don't know where the baby hairs are. I swore they was baby hairs, but I don't think they're baby hairs on this unit. I just kind of put some on the side and I put some right here. I went ahead and did that off camera because if y'all been following me, y'all know how I feel about these baby hairs. And me and baby hairs are still working on our relationship, okay? So be easy on me, all right? But I think this unit works when you do go in with a little bit of baby hairs for this lace frontal because it kind of conceals that lace a little bit. As far as the lace, I did go in with this Eben tint spray right here. I absolutely love this spray, guys. I've been using this spray for a while. I noticed that this spray is like floating around everywhere. A lot of reviewers are using this spray based on what other people are seeing, whatever. I saw this in a beauty supply store. The guy told me to buy it. I bought it, and thank you, Jesus, that he told me to buy it because this is a lifesaver. And ever since then, I've been seeing it float around. So I think you can purchase this online according to other reviewers. But I bought it in a beauty supply store, and I believe they do sell them in beauty supply stores. I wouldn't say like Sally's or anything like that. I don't know. I want to say it was like my hood beauty supply store. It wasn't my local, it wasn't my Sally's, but it was my hood beauty supply store, and I did find it. But I do believe you can find it online. This is dark brown, and so far it's been working for me, guys. I really like this spray. I did go in and tint that lace a little bit, and I think it blends well for this lace. I also did go in and secure it with a little bit of my Got2b. Do what works for you to secure these units, okay? That technique did work with my Got2b. At first I went in with the yellow, then I went in with the black. The black one I just couldn't find. I feel like the black one doesn't leave that like kind of cakey look. Do what works for you to secure it. As far as the texture on this wig, I thought she was initially silky, but she's kind of like a light yaki, and she's actually a little bit crunchy. She's kind of like a love-hate relationship right now because Miss Geneva, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, she was a little crunchy. Like, she's still a little crunchy on me here, and I am getting a little bit of snags, but I love her so much. You know that abusive boyfriend that... No, that's not a good example. You know how relationships take work and you have to build and grow, and you know, at first it's a little rocky, but then all of a sudden it's just beautiful. That's kind of how I felt initially with this unit. I don't even know what scenarios I'm giving y'all right now, but at first she was tangling on me, and when I tied her down and then untied her, It was like a real knot back there. I was like, oh, Geneva, what you doing? What you doing over there tangling up on me? But I did use my paddle brush and I brushed her out and she works. Okay, I did go in with a little bit of BioSilk, and I also did, and I couldn't find my wig spray, so I was being a little bootleg. I saw Wigs to Waist Length spray down her wig one day with some water, and I noticed that I do that anyway, like off camera, so I was like, okay, let me just spray her with some water, and it worked. It worked. My BioSilk and water, a little bit of water, it worked, because I feel like this unit was a little dry and a little crunchy, and it needed a little bit of moisture. But once you get her sitting right, y'all, oh my goodness, do you see this beauty? This color is perfect. It says chocolate swirl, and I just want to go through the camera and eat myself up right now because this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Outre. I'm liking these big, beautiful curls. The texture's okay. The texture's not plasticky, but it's also a little, like I said, on the crunchy side, but I'm okay with that. I know what I paid for. I paid for a synthetic unit, okay? She's shedding, she's tangling, but I love her. I love her, I love her, I love her. Sometimes you just gotta accept the flaws with people in relationships, you know? You gotta accept they little bad things, and I'm gonna accept the shedding and tangling, and I'll take it, okay? I did go in with my bed head, and after I did secure it, I did go in with the comb and kind of press this lace in more, and I think she's melting to my hairline really good, okay? But I think she's perfect. She is perfect, y'all. She's perfect for me, okay? She's my friend, and she works. I accept her for her flaws of her tangling and her shedding, and I accept her for who she is because she's a good friend to me, okay? As far as the cap, I kind of wish she did come down a little bit more for me on the side, but she's workable. She's okay. I did notice that I did not spray this unit all the way down, all the way with this lace tint spray, and some parts are coming up a little bit more chalkier than others because I didn't spray it all the way, but it's fine. This side right here, I did go in with a little bit of powder as well, just to kind of bring out that part a little bit. Other than that though, she's cute, y'all. She's cute. I like her. I didn't go in and pluck this hairline. It does say that it's supposed to give you like a natural looking hairline effect, you know, and I actually feel like the hairline is okay. I don't know about y'all, but it's a synthetic unit and I don't really feel like doing all of that. I want to take my unit out. What happened? What happened?
Moments later.
I am getting quite a bit of shedding. I am getting quite a bit of tangling, but I still love her. I still love her, guys. I think they did a really good job with this. I'm impressed. I like it. I really am happy with this. Now, will she eventually tangle up on you? Absolutely. She's starting to tangle up on me right now. But it's okay with me. Is it okay for you? I don't know if it's okay for you. You got to know what works for you. But I'm going to let you know she's tangling. But she's beautiful. She is beautiful. Anyway, guys, make sure you check out Stilllookingood58's channel. I will leave a link to her unit below. She has a different color in this, so definitely check her out so you can see a different color variation. Until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.